Today I'm going to be showing you how to grill whole fish. I've already taken the liberty of, gutting and gilling the fish. A little bloody, but normally I would want to fillet a fish like this, but I don't want to cut this because it's extremely soft. Dolly Varden is a fish that's known for being extremely soft. I would scale it, but these fish have really, really small scales. Really pretty skin too. It's a little bit faded, but that's okay. Got gnarly little teeth on them. Looks pretty cool, right? After you've done all that, you're going to want to season your fish. I'm using this tin foil just like it's a plate, just because I don't want to do extra dishes. You do want to dry it off. Make sure you wipe some of this excess slime off. It's not going to be perfect, but you don't want a bunch of excess moisture. It's going to make it very hard to put color on this fish. I'm not worried about the gutting and bleeding job to be perfect, because nothing is perfect in nature. Now for seasoning, I'm going to use handashi. You can use salt, but I like using this because it gives it a little bit extra oceany flavor. A little bit more umami. It's good stuff. You can go pretty heavy on this, by the way. Not all of this is going to penetrate the fish, and you're going to lose a lot of it during cooking. But that's fine. That's why you season on something that you can just roll the fish around on. Not have to worry about wasting a bunch of stuff. But yeah, it seems like a lot, and it is, but it's okay to over season this a little bit. You're not cooking fillets, you're cooking whole fish. Wrap it up in the tin foil. Seal it up. Just let the handashi dissolve. Let it dissolve, let it sit, let it do its thing. All right, now we're gonna fire up our grill and do something else. Ooh, I found a beer. Sweet. I wanna try these. I saw these in the store the other day, and I figured that's pretty good. Now that's on, just let it heat up. Come back in a little bit. Oh. All right, now that we reach about a 420, start cooking. This is my hot side. This is my cooler side. I don't know why it's like that, but I bought this grill for 25 bucks. Let them cook. Make sure all your heat's on as high as you can get it. Come back in a minute. In the meantime, crack open a beer. Oh, it's not much better than drinking a cold beer on a rainy day while you're making food for you and your old lady. We'll get back to the fish in a second, don't worry. If you made it this far in the video, you should subscribe. I know I don't have a most consistent schedule, but I live stream whenever I can, and I love to have fun. That's the most important part. Because social media is supposed to be fun and a place where you gain valuable information. It's a little overdone, but it's not a big deal. It's gonna get eaten no matter what. But that's typically the color I like to cook these at. Time to take care of the fish. It's been sitting long enough, or maybe 10 minutes or so. You're never gonna have all the handashi dissolved, but quite a bit of it did. You're gonna notice that it's visibly wet, which is fine. This oil dispenser thing I have is kind of broken, so it really sucks. Literally rub the surface with oil, mostly on the skin. Whatever you don't want to stick. I wouldn't worry too much about the inside. Oh my god, I hate this. I need to get another one of these. If anybody has any good suggestions for oil spray dispensers like this, let me know in the comments. I'll be very nice to you. Okay, this part you gotta be very careful with. You can only place it down one time. So find the hottest spot on your grill, lay it down one time. Don't touch it after that. Little extra, just because. Close it, and we wait. It's starting to rain a little hard now. All right, you'll know when to flip it when the fish can release itself. See? The fish releases itself. Now when you flip soft fish like this, you can tell how soft it is just by how gently I have to move it. You have to flip it towards yourself. Sorry, I'm talking a little bit. I'm sounding a little bit stressed. But you gotta flip it, not flip it towards yourself. You gotta, oh, that looks so good. I really should have placed this further back. Ugh. Oh, okay. That looks wonderful. Not a single little bit of this stuck. Perfect. Little bits of crispy skin. Looks good. Close it again. Ooh. Look at the teeth on it. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Let's see if I can release it. All right, it's starting to fall apart a little bit, so that's good. It's kind of hard to see it, but you can kind of see how it releases itself. This is the hard part, getting off the grill. I'm gonna use two utensils for this. One, two. I'm using two because I am afraid. Oh yeah. Just cover that up. I know that some of the crispiness from the grill is gonna be gone, but at least it's gonna be hot. To everyone that's watching, I really hope you enjoyed. My girlfriend and I are gonna go enjoy this fish and sausage now. Poor person surf and turf. I hope everybody likes and subscribe this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.